Welcome to Build a PMO Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to design, launch, and mature a project management office that drives real organizational value. This is a practical roadmap based on proven approaches. Let us get started. We begin by understanding the different types of PMOs and how to choose the right model for our organization. Choosing the right PMO model depends on our organization's culture, maturity level, and the degree of control needed. A supportive PMO serves as a knowledge hub, offering guidance without mandating how projects are managed. A directive PMO takes full ownership of project delivery, providing the highest level of consistency and governance. Now let us walk through the practical steps for establishing a PMO from the ground up. Setting up a PMO follows a structured roadmap that builds capability incrementally and demonstrates value at each stage. We begin by assessing where the organization stands today in terms of project management practices and pain points. Based on the assessment, we design a PMO model that fits our organizational culture and strategic needs. We build out the PMO by establishing core processes, selecting tools, and assembling the right team. A well-planned launch with clear communication ensures stakeholder buy-in and sets expectations from day one. We continuously mature the PMO by measuring performance, gathering feedback, and expanding our service offerings. A solid governance framework is the backbone of any successful PMO, establishing clear roles, processes, and decision rights. Clear selection criteria ensure we invest in projects that deliver the highest strategic value to the organization. Standardized methodologies provide a common language and predictable delivery approach across all projects. Regular portfolio reviews give leadership visibility into project health and enable data-driven resource decisions. A defined escalation framework ensures that blockers are resolved quickly without unnecessary delays or confusion. Understanding PMO maturity levels helps us set realistic goals and plan our evolution from basic to strategic. At the initial level, project management is reactive and varies significantly from project to project. A structured PMO has established foundational processes, templates, and reporting standards. At the managed level, we track performance metrics and use data to improve delivery outcomes. An optimized PMO drives continuous improvement and directly contributes to strategic decision-making. Effective portfolio management is one of the most valuable services a mature PMO provides to the organization. A centralized portfolio view eliminates confusion and ensures everyone works from the same accurate information. Portfolio balancing ensures we do not overinvest in one area while neglecting critical strategic priorities. Regular executive reviews maintain alignment between the project portfolio and evolving business strategy. Monitoring resource capacity helps us make realistic commitments and protect our teams from unsustainable workloads. Let us recap the essential insights for building a successful PMO. There is no one-size-fits-all PMO model. The right choice depends on our specific organizational context and needs. A phased approach builds credibility incrementally and demonstrates value at each stage of PMO development. Governance is the foundation that transforms a PMO from an overhead function into a strategic enabler. The most successful PMOs never stop evolving, using data and feedback to expand their value to the organization. If this preview showed you the path forward, the full Udemy course provides detailed implementation guides, templates, and case studies for every stage of PMO development. Enroll today and build a PMO that delivers lasting value. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Build your PMO with purpose and deliver results.